Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our sports and math kit. This is billiards, or just a fancy word for pool. So we're going to look at a pool table or billiards table to see if the length and width of the pool table makes a difference on what corner the ball will go to. So we're looking at the ratio of one side to another side. So first I just let kids explore and start making tables. So they're going to just draw a line that makes a table on the board, and they're going to record that length and width. So in this case it's 6 and 6. And then they're going to start on the corner A, and they're going to take a 45-degree angle and draw up until it hits the end or corner. So until it hits a corner, they keep moving the ball around. But in this case, it's going to hit that corner, which is C right here. So they're going to put the corner is C, and the path is how many lines did I make? In this case, I made just one line. It just took one path. I didn't have any movement from that, just one straight line. So we're going to record that data there. Now we're going to choose another size table. Like I said, I just want them exploring different tables, and I'm going to put up another table here. And this one has a width of 2, and a length of 6. So once again, I'm going to start in the corner A and at 45-degree angle. Just going to follow my ball until it hits a corner. So right there, my ball finally ended in corner C. So that's in my end corner. And it had 1, 2, 3 paths, or 3 lines until it hit the corner. So keep on just trying out different size tables and figure out what is going on. What are you noticing about these different size tables? So once again, I have another table. This one is a 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 by 8. All right, so get kids to start guessing what corner they think it's going to end in. I'm going to guess D. I'm just random guess. I'm going to start in corner A again. I'm going to go my 45-degree angle. It's going to hit this wall, bounce off. 45-degree angle, hit this wall, bounce off again, come down, hit this wall, bounce off, hit this wall, bounce off, come up here, hit this wall, bounce off, come up here, hit this wall, bounce off, hit this wall, bounce off, come down here, straight line here, bounce off, come here, bounce off. This one's bouncing a lot, all over the place. Come on this wall, bounce off, and then go straight up, and I finally land in corner D. So how many lines is that? Let's see, I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's 12, if I counted correctly. So I want kids to just start noticing what's going on here. I'm going to try one more. Let me erase all of these and try one more table. So I want kids to try different tables, see what results they have. Here's one more table. This is a 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 by 8. So where do you think this table is going to land? What corner? The kids can take a guess, or they can try it out. You can have them guess how many lengths they think this ball will go before it lands in a corner. How many lines? So I've got 1, 2. I've got 2 paths, and it landed in D. So looking at this information that I've recorded, so I want kids to do this first and record their information. They're going to see that there's a relationship between the width and the length and the paths. So in this case, 6 and 6, I have just one path because it's a square. So it's just one divides into the other evenly. I have a 2 and a 6, and I have 3. So what's the relationship between 2 and 6? I have a 5 and 8. What's that relationship? Why did that come out to be so many lengths compared to a 4 and 8, which only had 2? So thinking about the ratio of one number to another, where does that get me? So now to make this the game that's listed in the directions is students will roll a dice, which is going to tell them what their length is, what the length up the line is. And then they've got to pick what their width is going to be to try to get it to end up in the corner they want. So they're each going to guess a corner that they think the ball is going to land in and be their corner. And then they are going to roll the dice, which is going to get them the width, or the length, excuse me. They have to determine the width and try to get it to land in their corner. So it gets a little more strategic as they are trying to get the ball to go into their corner. It takes a little bit more thought. But first off, I'm going to stress, first off, just explore the board and see what are the different options that create a ball to land in the different corners. So just explore, have fun, and enjoy billiards.